Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing a video on the Galaxy Buds Plus. And this is the BTS version, so I'm really excited about this one. I love how the packaging has little hearts on it. Oh wow, I really do love this. This is so pretty, the packaging. So let's go ahead and open this up. Got this. Which box to open first? Oh wow, this is such a pretty purple. And it says I purple you. This is the Smart Buds cover. Oh wow, this is absolutely beautiful. We've got the cord here, and I believe the extra tips. So yeah, these are the extra tips. The cable, USB-C cable, I believe. Type-C. And the moment we all been waiting for. Oh wow, I love this. That is such a beautiful purple. Try to get it open with one hand. Oh wow. Oh, I love the little heart on them. Also something in here. There's some photos. And I'm wearing the earbuds. Oh, I love this. So yeah, this is my unboxing, and thank you so much for watching. I probably will do a video of me setting it up with my Note 20, so keep an eye on that video. And thank you so much for watching, and I absolutely love this.